In this video, we look up for index function. So index function is better than VLOOKUP function. How it's better we'll see now. So index is simple function. So index and we'll take an array. So if we take array and what is the row number and column number. If we take this is as an array highlighted area and row number means this is 1, 2, 3. Bookshelf is a first row and column is 1, 2, 3. Column is 261. So this cell we are pointing in this area. So indexes means if you know the table and which cell we want to display, so it's better to use index only. So generally for achieving lookup with index, no, so we require match function also. Match is also very simple. Like if it is match, I'm looking out in this area, so that will give the position which number it has. Odd is there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th is the result of match. So if we're looking this value in this specific array, so what is the number that will give? So using this match index, how we'll achieve this VLOOKUP using index, that we will check. So for example, it's odds. Odds, what is the sales we are looking? So how we can write an index? So index and first is array. So in this array this is the complete area and row. So row means we are not sure whether it's odds or some bookshelf. So whatever the value it will come, so that specific cells we want to see. So in this case we are using match of D23. So this is a D23. So this value in specific to E10 to E19. So whatever the value we are providing here, that will look in this area and 0 is for exact match. So that will give the number, the 1, 2 or 3. In this case, art. Art is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number it will give in the here. And third column, 1, 2, 3. Third column is the sales. Okay, so if here entering this, so 7.28. So this is the value of art. If I'm copy pasting the table, so table what is the value? So this is the value. So this is a simple way compared to VLOOKUP. Index is a good function. And similarly, if it's a multiple thing, so obviously and appliances are there. So in this case also similar. So index function I'm writing, and now this array is complete C to G and match function. Match is it's a concatenating. So category, subcategory, so T25 and E25 and C10 to C19. So this is the one I'm matching and it will give the number which row it's mapping, that number it will give, and what is the number of column of cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm giving as a 5. So now the value is 114. If I want to see furniture and bookshelf, copy and paste here. So 261. If I want to see 14.62 office and labels, that's all for this video. Thank you.